How to remove bank account from Oanda. Oanda Currency Converter is an online tool that provides real-time exchange rates and currency conversions based on market data. It supports multiple currencies, offers historical rates, and includes fee calculations for accurate conversions. First, go to Oanda website and log in your account with email and password. Click on Account and then click on User Management. Then navigate to Users. Find the user which you want to delete account, then click on three-dot icon. Click on Edit User. Unselect the owner role. Click on Save Changes. You're requesting to remove the owner role. Click on Remove. The owner removal request will be sent out and your account will be deleted. That's it. Thanks for watching.